Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. Today I'm going to be taking you around this Toyota Corolla. This Toyota Corolla is finished in black and is powered by a 2-litre VVT petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. Into the boot and you'll find plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. Of course, the space can be extended with all the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 18-inch multi-spoke designed alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights, providing great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back, and all passengers are provided with full leather seats, headrests, as well as ISOFIX for convenience. Into the front, and the driver is presented with a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, as well as full leather seats for comfort. The multi-function steering wheel provides access to voice command, volume control, hands-free, cruise control, speed limiter, as well as lane assist. The partial digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be controlled using the multi-function steering wheel. In the centre, a large coloured touchscreen display gives access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Radio, Bluetooth, and smart mirror link is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera making parking a breeze in the tightest of spaces. Just below is the controls to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided for the colder months, ensuring you stay at the right temperature. Into the centre console, the gear selector, electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.